up, guys? With my surgery tomorrow, we don't need to talk about what, but anyways, yesterday I got a front lip came in, which is the part of the lower part of the front bumper of a Dodge Durango, which is supposed to give it the lip look. So hopefully it's gonna work. If not, I'm gonna show you guys how to do some molding and some work, because I'm gonna make it work. But anyways, I'm gonna pull up here now because I got these things also, you guys. Right here, remember on the trunk lid how that bolt stripped out? Well, the last guy sold it to me all broken and everything, and I ended up drilling the bolt out, and the hole was just a little too big for the other thread, so hopefully that works. But I'm gonna show you right now. Let's see if it works. We'll try both things, the lip and that. I'll get to you in a second. So guys, I grabbed this piece off Marketplace. Somebody had it for sale. Check it out. So it's the add-on down here, but it gives me the lip now. See how I don't have the lip? It's just flat. Now I'll have the lip. That's wicked fucking cool, right? I was dying to find the SRT bumper, and I can't believe just the lip will do it. Look at that. It buckles all right in right there. Remember a couple weeks ago I drilled this out because this nipple was broke off in there? I tried everything, back out tool, everything. Look at the angle you got to go on, right? So I took this off. I banged this down just a little bit, and I ended up drilling that out, right, you guys? Then I got this kit online. Yes, sir. That kit saved me so far. I'm not going to say nothing good, but that bolt cranked in there tight. Okay, my only problem is now, I don't know if you guys see, it's a little bit of an angle. So when I get down the road or whatever, when I get somewhere where I can, I'd like to take either this back out or put a screwdriver right here and hit to straighten this just a little. It's not pushing it now all of a sudden. Oh my God, that thing pulled right out. Oh my God. Ah. You gotta be kidding me. All right, it's gotta be welded. Nothing else I could do. Did I not plug this in now? I don't know why my hydraulic's not working though either. All right, guys, I'll get back to you in a minute. I'm going to get a big screwdriver and a hammer to do this. So I think there's a bigger lip I can order for the other one, which would be really sick. But let's see what that one does. Okay, so see, that's what we had to do, remember, guys? Huh. Was there a screw too? My whole upper bumper that's ruined, not the lower. Yep. Well, let's see what it looks like, boys. Oh, I got a couple more to lock in. Wow. 10 times better. Hey. Huge difference, huh, boys? Huge difference. What do you guys think? From that other lip to the one that looks like it has a lip, you know? The other one didn't have none of this. So I gotta figure out what goes here. I don't know if I'm gonna do some different fog lights or something. We'll figure it out, but it looks pretty damn good. This Durango done, start driving that. That thing's a chomper, so we'll see what's up. I'll get back to you. Peace.